What's up, guys? Okay, so I have a 2014 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. This is the crew cab. The interior door handle had broken, and I already started the job and took the door off until I realized that I should have done a video on taking the door apart. But this might help you also. So if you try to call the dealer and find that door handle, they're going to tell you you need to buy this entire assembly. Because what happened was this handle here, there's like an aluminum piece that goes from the inside of this panel into here, which when you pull up opens the door. Well, it snapped and this whole handle came off of that side. I already took that side off. So I already took the panel off. The dealer told me that I can't buy just the piece behind here, which is the piece right here. They said I had to buy this whole panel, which was about $500. Now, if you look, I found it. I got a brand new assembly in there, and I just wanted to do this video to, one, save you $500. This was 19 bucks on Amazon. But the way you're going to get these out, these are actually pop riveted in on the factory. It has rivets, like these little plastic ones you see here. And it's going to come with a bit in your kit. Let me show you. It looks like this. It's going to come in a little case, and there's this bit. You see the little center tip there, and it has all these little teeth on the edge. Well, basically, that's going to sit right in the center of that pop rivet. You put it on your drill, and it will remove that. So what it comes with is these bolts and washers, and it's going to come with a little bit of glue. Once you drill these out, you put some glue down in the holes and put a bolt and a washer, and you put these in replace of it. And I also put a little bit of glue around the edge here, and this thing is super tight now, and it's back. It's ready to go. The piece that broke on it was this aluminum piece right here that sticks through the door, and it comes with a new handle, and you can see, where's it at? Oh, there it is. Right there. You can see it in there. Well, basically, when you slide this on there, that is going to push that little chrome dowel down there, and it will lock this into place. But the purpose of this video was just to let you know that do not buy this panel from the dealer. You can get this part on Amazon for about $19.99 exactly, and it was 1-day shipping. So hopefully this saves somebody out there, even one person, a ton of money. And if it does, please hit subscribe below. Give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.